This is just going to be a quick demonstration of how phylotastic can be integrated into a workflow for character analysis of morphological data. We're going to start out at a place called Morphobank, which is a resource for collaborative creation and editing of morphological character data. I'm looking for a particular project here at this site that I've chosen ahead of time because of the species that it has in it. This is this study of living and extinct pangolins by Godin and al. And I chose this study because I know it has a set of species that we can get from our phylotastic tree. So what I'm going to do is click on matrices over here, go to download entire matrix. So this is going to download a Nexus file that has all the character data from this study. So if I double click on that Nexus file, then it's going to launch Mesquite. Mesquite is a workbench for comparative analysis that has a lot of tools integrated in it, and it's quite frequently used in analysis of morphological characters. And there we can see, whoops, you might have missed that, in the splash screen there that a module for phylotastic has loaded here. This module was written by Peter Midford, who's also written a number of other modules here for Mesquite. Okay, so this project that we just loaded already has some trees in it, and I'm just going to delete those because the point of this is going to be to go and get a new tree. So here we have a list of the species, 17 species in this study. As I mentioned before, we have an incomplete phylotastic implementation, and I know we can't get some of these species, so I'm just gonna delete them here. And our current implementation just finds a complete species name and not something unspecified like this, so I'm just going to change that to have a complete species name in it. So now we've got a matrix of morphological characters here for 5 species, a number of different characters. And if we go under taxa and trees, tree inference, tree search, there's a menu item called phylotastic. I'm going to click no because I don't want to start a new thread. So now in Mesquite, this is a client application that is sending off a query through a web service to a phylotastic demo server, and it's getting the tree back, and there's the tree right there. Currently there's a little bit of a glitch in the service in that it's returning trees with unbranched internal nodes, so I'm just going to use Mesquite's tools to take that out. And so now we have a fully resolved phylogeny for these 5 species, and we've got character data in this same file, so I can go now to analysis and I can start doing some of the things that scientists do when they do phylogenetic character analysis. So trace character history here. I'll do that on the characters that I have and use parsimony just for the sake of simplicity. So this is showing a trace of characters, and I can scroll through the different characters in the matrix. And this is phylotastic because what we've done here is really to sort of drop phylotastic functionality right into the workflow of scientists who are doing comparative analysis of morphological characters. And I think that's an important use case for phylotastic.